5. If you haven't watched any of the other ones, watch this one. You will love this fish. I don't care where you are in the world. You may say we have the best fish. Manitoba Winnipeg Goldeye is phenomenal. You can have it's a smoked Winnipeg Goldeye, and it has unbelievable also nutrition. But you can use it in salads. You can use it in this. You can use it in that. It's unbelievable. And Joan, what are the nutritional values of this beautiful fish?
Basically, it's got omega-3 healthy fats. It's got premium protein, and it's got essential micronutrients. So, voila.
Voila. Ciao. Cheers. Chin chin. Damn, wine's always good. But here's for Rizzio. I'd love to share this fish head with you, but look at this. You open it up, and you take out the meat, and you put this on the side, and look at that. The meat in there is fantastic. Okay. Perfect goldeye. The skin just peels off perfectly. Look at this. It just peels off perfect. And then you just sort of take out, you just put that on the side like this. And look at this. Just take it apart. Easy. Yeah.
The smokiness.
Yeah. It just peels apart like this. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Tender.
Oh yeah. Just goes bang. It just peels apart like this.
And there's bones.
Yeah, the bones we peel out very easy. They come out very easily. And this just peels like this. Look at this. Peel that apart like this. And you got another nice piece. Oh, look at that. Mm-hmm. All right. Ciao. Well, Joni, what do you think? Raw food today?
Raw food lunch. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Wine is always good.
Yeah, we're using martini glasses because our wine glasses are I haven't washed them yet.
I thought it was special.
Oh, yeah.
Special way to serve the wine.
Yes.
So anyways, today we've got a good meal with raw food, and the importance of raw food is so that the enzymes stay alive. You don't cook them, and so you've got the enzymes going into your body and being able to digest your food properly. And you don't have to add enzymes, or and this grows your microbiome as well, so that it can all work properly. And today we have raw spinach.
Baby spinach.
Baby spinach, raw onion.
Right.
And we've got some avocado and raw. This is smoked goldeye. Here we have some more raw veggies, carrots, red peppers, radishes,
Cucumbers,
everything. So that is going to be just very, very good. And for the dressing, it's also very important for the dressing not to use the store-bought products, because they're so loaded with chemicals and all kinds of additives, and you just don't want that.
Well, they need shelf life, right?
Yeah. And so the best way to do it is to use lemon.
Yes. Lemon.
And a lime and lemon.
Yeah.
Some salt, pepper, fresh salt, and pink Himalayan sea salt.
Yes.
Lovely. And then some olive oil.
Good.
Some
Perfect.
Good Evo
Virgin.
extra virgin
Olive oil.
olive oil.
Yes. And if you want to dress it up a bit, you can use
Some balsamic
vinegar.
if you want to, yeah.
If you want, that also works.
Yeah.
So anyways, this is our healthy. Well, they're all our meals are all healthy, mostly.
Yes, the wine is always good.
But wine is always good.
But now a little bit about the omegas that are in this beautiful smoked Winnipeg Gold Eye.
Yes, it's got lots of oils. It's got omega-3s.
Yes.
And
high on omega-3s.
Yes. So, and your protein.
And a little bit of
everything
protein.
has some protein.
And we're going to have a little bit of bread and cheese with it. And the bread is garlic onion bread. That's what it is. Potato, potato garlic. Oh, potato garlic. Yes, potato garlic onion. Yes.
Lovely.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, now we're going to say ciao, 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 ciao.
Enjoy.
Yeah, we will. Ciao.
Nice.
Pretty simple, eh? That gold eye is amazing. It's hard to explain to people all over the world how great. I think you dropped something on your dress there, don't you?
Oh no, that went on the plate.
Oh, perfect.
That would be terrible.
That would be terrible. And this beautiful dress. It's a great fuchsia color.
This is Jim Thompson from Thailand.
Yeah. Oh.
Silk.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, it's very
You wear it
beautiful.
very well, and it's gorgeous.
Thank you. Did you see my shoes?
Oh. Oh, those are the.
Dolce Gabbana.
Oh
from
yeah.
Sicily.
Absolutely.
Anyways, I'm dressing up today.
Yes. Ciao.
Feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Order in a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
We've just completed 5, which we think are amazing recipes. Underneath here, you're going to see our website is always going to be running over here, and you'll be able to find our ebook there with the additional recipe and wine pairings. And what else did you put in there?
Well, there's the ingredients, the description, the wine pairing, and the nutrition tips for each of those 5.
Yes.
So plus beautiful pictures.
Yes.
And a link through to the video, this video that you're on right now. So it's a loop. And so that ebook is available on the website, and it can be downloaded by entering your email.
Okay. Another one, we're going to do another ebook. We've been talking about this and threatening you about this Cooking with Laura Donna. It's going to be an ebook. That's going to be so special. It's going to be about 5 Sicilian
fish and seafood.
Yes.
From the Ionian Sea.
Correct.
And this is just a practice run ebook for this first one.
The premium one is going to be.
Yeah, this is going to be a beautiful ebook, I'm thinking.
The premium one is.
We're excited, but try this one first, please.
We think the premium one is going to be
You can give us your opinions.
Cooking with Loredana. Look
Yeah,
for it.
it's
Coming.
It's going to be fabulous. You'll love it.
Ciao.
From
And wine
Sicily.
wine is always good.
Ciao.